Hi, how's it going?
Are you just about ready to move south?
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's so pretty though, isn't it?
Oh, it's pretty, yes. It's great to look at. I love looking at it. It's great. But I need to move. I need to go south. This is really the only exercise that I get. That's why I'm breathing so hard.
So moving south might not be a good thing for you then.
No, because I'm just not going to do nothing. However, I think if I moved south, I probably would have animals. Because having animals in the winter, in this winter, is not easy. I mean, I can barely keep up with my dog and my chickens. So I'm going to finish this up. It's going to take me an hour still or more. And then I got to go do the neighbors.
We had quite the snowstorm last night.
Yes.
Yes.
I say we did get our number. They said they were looking, we were looking for 15 centimeters. I'd say we got that or more. And then of course, then it was windy, so it
Drifts everywhere.
Drifted in the low spots. And then yesterday we had probably 30 or 40 millimeters of rain. So that's under the snow. My skating rink is done. I can't fix that now.
Oh.
I can't fix it. Yesterday there was 3 inches of water on the ice and then it snowed on top of that. So it's done. I can't even fix it. I can't make it. I know, I'm very disappointed. In order to fix that now, I'd have to flood and flood and flood. And I'm not doing it. Sorry.
What are you doing? Okay. Hey guys, Amber from Family Life. Thanks so much for tuning in. We have had the craziest winter storm here. It is almost the end of February. This is very frustrating. I'm so done with the snow. Anyways, just gonna walk you through some of our chores that we have to do, and unfortunately you gotta do them regardless of the weather, and doing chores in the snow stinks, and thankfully we don't have a lot of animals.
We wear each other like Kevlar. We guide each other like a lighthouse in the dark. Even if the world falls apart, I know you always got my heart. Your hand, my hand. There's no storm that we can't stand, even if it's us against the world. You can't push back the ocean. You can't turn off the sun. Some things cannot be broken. We're like an open road. We're never gonna stop and running. Don't try to hold us, 'cause we don't slow down for nothing. Your hand, my hand, right through walls like they're made of sand. I bet on us against the world. You can't push back the ocean. You can't turn off the sun. Some things cannot be broken.
Okay, I'll give you a hand.
Push back the ocean. You can't turn off the sun. Some things cannot be broken. Our love. Take on a hurricane. Go back and do it again.
we're gonna go try and see if we can feed the horses, and then I'm gonna head back in and finish up my puzzle because this is crazy. I feel bad because I'm gonna show you over the pond. Look at Sky trying to get up. She can't. I'm gonna take you over to the pond because that's where Frank was working so hard trying to keep it nice and clean for Eli and getting the snow removed and the ice fixed from the problem that we had earlier, and then we ended up with this. Okay, ready? Like, we just can't stay ahead of the snow, so we ended up resorting to taking Eli to we ended up resorting to taking Eli to the indoor arena, which I think he enjoys better anyways because it's zambonied, it's smooth, there's no bumps. Anyways, Frank's waiting for me. We're gonna go check on the chickens. We'll take you along this crazy wintry day.
Forward. Come on, you can do it. All I can say about my poor skating rink.
So what ended up happening? What happened here?
The snow, I left the snow on too long.
Oh, and it insulated it and went all slushy.
And then it melts the top ½ inch, and then when you blow it off, this is what happens. If you don't get the ice off or the snow off right away, it's destroyed.
You know, it was -18 this morning.
So I spent probably 2 or 3 days preparing my skating rink. Now our skating rink is a pond. It is actually a spring-fed pond. It's actually not a spring-fed, it's actually creek-fed at the very top end. So we have 5 ponds on our property. The big pond is where the feed is, and it's way up past, I'll show you the bridge. There's the bridge way up there, you can see it, the red bridge. Anyways, just past that bridge right there is a creek that runs into it, runs down and then across the bottom of the driveway and into this pond. And this is our center pond. This is our main pond in front of the house, and there's an exit point to that pond right there, and again another culvert from there runs across and into the other pond over there. So it is a moving pond. It is actually quite active. It's very difficult to get it to not crack and not cause problems, but we're okay with that because we're used to that. That's kind of something that we've got accustomed to over the last few years. But the problem is this year we got probably about 6 inches of rain, and it seemed like that probably closer to 2 inches, but the pond was full, like full. All the snow was gone off the top of the pond, and the water,
We had grass 2 days ago.
yeah, it was all grass. So the pond was lots of water on top, and then same day it froze solid and then snowed. But the water that was on top of the pond, it didn't freeze. It just got covered up by snow, and that caused a big slush puddle. And so we've probably had 2 feet of snow blow, either drop or blow in. So my ice rink is destroyed. It's not usable. This is our local arena. This is the first time that we've been in this place, oh geez, I'd say a year and a half, almost 2 years, I would think. Eli's here. He's enjoying himself. He's skating. He's got his mask on. So it'll be nice when they remove the mask mandates. I don't know when that's going to happen. Awesome. Okay, I'm going out where it's warm because it's way too cold. The one thing I missed. There you go, guys. Yeah. The one thing I miss is arena fries. Love to have some of those, but it's okay. The chocolate bars have been making me gain weight since I quit smoking. Oh, and I realized that today I'm 18 days without a cigarette. I'm really proud of myself for being able to accomplish this feat. But I'll tell you, the Alan Carr book on the easy way to quit smoking was a really good listen. My wife put it on Audible for me, and I listened to that, and it's really, really good. Got through it pretty easily, and I'm pretty happy. I certainly don't miss spending $15, $16 every day. So you figure that's $450, $500 a month for that. So I am 18 days in at $15 a day. So what is that? 150 every 10 days. It's almost 300 bucks already, almost. This is our pond hockey. This is what we have to resort to since our rainstorm yesterday. So Eli is going to go out and do a little magic.
I don't know, there's not really much to do or say. It's just skating in a little circle. So, yeah. Gosh, I haven't been on the ice in so long. It's been a while. I'm telling you, summer couldn't come fast enough. I don't mind the winter. I love the winter, but I don't like these snowstorms. The roads are impassable. You can't drive on them. It's very dangerous. And the wind
stones.
You gotta straighten your tires. There you go. That's good.
We said 2-wheel drive.
Yeah, you might need 4-wheel drive for this kind of snow. Eli, you can't turn your wheels that aggressively or you're gonna get stuck. He's trying. Canadian driver training right there. Oh my goodness. He'll be ready for the roads in no time. Not. Anyways, guys, puzzles. Relaxing or stressful? What do you think? I got a puzzle last week for Eli in hopes that him and I could do it together. He discovered they're stressful to him, but I have enjoyed it. Frank and I have been enjoying doing the puzzle, so something oddly satisfying when you find that piece to complete that square. So I am heading back in to go do the rest of my puzzle.
Saying I want peace, it's where I am now. It's the only thing I haven't found somehow. There are other places, there are a million pretty faces, but I want peace, it's where I am now. I used to worry about the future, future never came. Tried living in the past, but never did quite feel the same. I used to think that there was a place I would rather be, till I got there enough times to realize that you are only ever here. That's when I found peace with where I am now. It's the only place I'll ever be. I found there are other places filled with a million pretty faces, but I found peace with where I am now. Through the ups and downs, I have figured out you find peace where you make it. Scenery won't change.
So I couldn't take as long to do the chores. My battery died and I just went and got a new one because I just had to come to the crate and grab something for next week's vlog. Stay tuned, it'll be exciting. Thanks so much for hanging out, guys. It was a blast. Until next time, stay safe and keep living.
So I found peace with who I am now. It's the only me I'll ever be. I found there are other places, there are a million other faces. I find